always great. Hip-hopper. Shana Bunan there, strawberry syrup. Bunan flavored syrup, mga kaibigan, our official sponsor for the Battle of the Mascot. Sumari ka ba? Ayan mo nga yan, sige nga. Fruit juice, dyan mo nilalagay ang fruit juice, mga kaibigan. Ayan na. Alright, Shaker, Shadow, rolling it. May bagsakan dapat to, ha? Yan na ba? Oh, ha? Yan na ba? Come on! Stand up! Up again, double spin. Tomahawk. Down the back it goes. Boom! Behind the back. Leg pass. Shadow pass. Overhead pass. Bottle shaker still. Double spinning it. Rolling it. Up. Nice switch. Bottle shaker still. Behind the back. Whoa! Nice swipe. Double spinning it. Down the back it goes. Nice moves being shown by Rally. Swiping it. Nice ball. Sumasabay nga. Up. Shot of Bunan right there. A little showmanship. Vivo mo bottom mo. Nice into the glasses right now. At 2.5 minutes, Rally's Stuart Baltro from Batangas City. Guys into the glasses there. And 2:50. Mahaba pa oras, ha? Alright, here we go. Banat muna, banat. 3 bottles. Last 2 minutes. 2 minutes pa. 3 bottles. Shuffling it. Shuffle. Shuffle. Fingering. Rolling it. Rolling it. Bomb spin behind the back. Ayun! 3 bottles. Shuffle. Shuffle. At a minute and a half minutes. 4 bottles, come on, Rally. 4 bottles, shuffle, shuffle. One hander, and go! A minute and 15. Rally, Stuart Baltro from Batangas. Good show, good show. A lot of showmanship in place. Looking for Rochelle here. Into the mix. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute for Rally. Getting ready to shake it. Shake it, baby. Come on, shake it. Alright, technical aspect. 3-4. Kumusta ang 3-4 natin? Second glass there. 35 seconds. Mahaba pa to. Sakto ba? Good, good. All the way down. Good, good. Pre-pouring. With some soda on top. 20 seconds before 5 minutes. Okay, garnish natin. Finishing touches. Straws. 10 seconds before 5 minutes. 10 seconds, Rally. Come on.